How to block contact on Signal. Are you guys facing issues to block contacts on Signal application? If that's so, then this video might help you out. Without further ado, let's get started. First of all, open Signal app on your mobile devices. Now log in into your account with your registered email and password. As soon as you get logged in, now go to the chat with the person you want to delete or block. After you enter the name, tap on their name at the top of their profile settings. Scroll down and tap on block. A confirmation message will appear. Tap block again to confirm. Once blocked, the person won't be able to message or call you on Signal anymore, and they won't know you have blocked them. You can see all chats unless you delete them manually. If you ever want to unblock them later, just go back to the same setting and tap on unblock. And if you are not sure how to complete any of these steps, make sure to check out our other videos on this channel for full guidance. And that's it guys, that's how you're gonna block contacts on Signal. If you guys found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share and subscribe to our channel. Bye bye.